In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Heygen AI Quick Guide. We'll start right from the browser so you can follow along easily. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Heygen and press enter. From the results, click the official Heygen website. You'll know you're in the right place when the address ends with heygen.com and you see the dashboard or homepage load. Once you're in Heygen, look for the Create button. Click that, then choose Create a Video. On the next screen, select Create in AI Studio. This opens the workspace where we'll manage the script and translation. AI Studio is where your content, commands, and drafts live, so it's the right place to handle language changes. At the bottom input area, you'll see a hint that says you can use a slash for commands. Press the / on your keyboard to bring up the command menu. From the options that appear, choose Upload Script. This lets you bring in the text you want Heygen to translate. A file picker will open. Navigate to the folder on your device where your script is saved, select the file, and click Open. Give it a moment to upload. Tip: a clean, well-formatted script works best for accurate translation. Avoid including special characters you don't need, and make sure the original language is consistent throughout. With your script in place, direct your attention to the top center of the interface. Find the Translate option and click it. A small panel will open. Click the drop-down arrow to reveal the list of available languages. Browse through or scroll to find the language you want to use, then click that language to select it. If you don't immediately see your target language, keep scrolling. The list can be long. Next, choose Translate on New Draft. This ensures your original script stays untouched and the translation is saved as its own version. After the translation finishes processing, you'll see a new draft appear in your drafts list. Click your newly created draft to open it. That's it. You've uploaded your script, chosen a new language, and generated a translated draft in Heygen AI Studio. From here, you can review the text for tone and clarity. If something looks off, subtle edits usually fix it quickly. Remember, keeping source text simple and clear tends to produce the most reliable translations. Thanks for watching. Follow these exact steps anytime you need to change the language of a script in Heygen, and you'll be up and running in just a few minutes.